This is an easy DIY, and you can grab this lantern from Dollar Tree. Get you a pair of your heavy-duty snips or a sharp pair of scissors, and begin relatively quick. We want to remove the other 3 sides as well, 4 sides. Grab you a floral sponge, and here's you an easy make with ease and a breeze. So money saver here, focal flower, whether it's large or small. The purple dahala is a large, but we're going to put it in with the large pile and the medium. Now these are our main flowers, and break it up so that your eyes will go directly to the money. As you go through there, you're going to really truly be placing those. So you have those 3, and as I go around, I'm trying to work and fluff up so that everything sits in there but shows off every color, or really truly bundling and popping. You can just, your eyes go right